I'm Ashraf Javed Malik, country coordinator here from Pakistan. We have celebrated Green, Clean and Habitat Day. Dear listeners, I am going to tell you that what is the habitat and ecosystem. A habitat should not be confused with an ecosystem. The habitat is the actual place of the ecosystem, whereas the ecosystem includes both the biotic and abiotic factors in the habitat. Now, I am going to tell you that what is the habitat. In ecology, a habitat is the type of natural environment in which a particular species of organism lives. A species habitat is those places where the species can find food, shelter, protection, and mates for reproduction. It is characterized by both physical and biological features. Dear listeners, World Habitat Day is a most important day to inform you that cleanliness, green belts, our ecosystem, and the land and earth should be the free of pollution. So we should take part to solve the issues of our planet positively. I hope that every person of this world will participate to make our planet safe from pollution. Thank you.